Here's what we're gonna do. Look, yellow and blue are primary colors, so you should mix them up like this.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
We are so sorry to interrupt all the programming, but we have some very sad and scary news to tell you. Gather your family or friends here to listen with you. This is not a test. We'll be right back in a moment. Hello, you are watching Central Kids TV. And this is an emergency alert for everyone across the United States. This is not a test. So listen carefully. Recently, at 8 o'clock at night, there was a giant black hole discovered in space. And it appears to be sucking in everything in its way. And soon, it will consume our planet and everything here. Even if it seems scary, don't panic. Soon, we will all meet again. Do something that will make you feel calm, like drawing our favorite things or play with your pets or hug your friends. We hope you'll stand for your last times of happiness. We in Central Kids TV are gonna miss you all until the end. Goodbye.
Quando sono sola sogno